Yes, 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 yes. Are we live? Yeah, we're live. We're live. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. If you can hear me, say good morning. Good morning, Grace. Good morning. Good morning. So, if you can hear me, please. If you can hear me, put one on the chat box. If you can hear me, put one on the chat box. All right. Let me let everybody else know that we are live. Yes, yes. We are live. We are live. Let's go. We are live. How you guys doing? Grace, how are you doing? So, all right, all right. So, are we good to go? How many people are in this live? How many people are in this live so that we can get this thing over? Okay. If you can. So, we'll see in the next 5 minutes, in the next 3 minutes, we'll just start. All right. Because the perfect information I want to drop is people are not yet in here, and I don't want to go back while when when I start. All right, that's just the major reason. Please, please, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so let's go. All right, so it's time. If you can hear me, please put. If you can hear me, please put where you joining me from. Right? Where are you joining us from? 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 I'm currently in Abuja, so where are you joining us from? All right. Where are you joining us from? Where are you joining us from? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, coach. Currently in Open State. Okay. So have a whole lot of people. Good morning, coach. I'm joining from Open State. Amazing. All right. Great, great. Somebody is joining. So I'm saying good morning. Happy, where are you joining from? Lagos, Nigeria. Abdul is joining from Lagos, Nigeria. I am joining you guys too from Abuja, right? Amazing. Grace, where are you joining us from? All right. How's Lagos this morning, Abdul? Motayo, how is Ogun State? Ogun State. How's Ogun State? Okay. So great, 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 great. I know you're coming from the group, so you could literally let people know that we are starting. But I will be sharing my screen any minute from now. I should be sharing my screen any minute from now so that we can. Bad network. Oh, really? Sorry. Sorry, it said bad network. All right, so I'll be sharing my screen from now. Let's see. Let's share my screen. All right. So yeah, if you can see my screen, if you can see my screen, put 2 on the chat box. If you can see my screen, put 2 on the chat box. Amazing. You can see my screen, put 2 on the chat box. All right. So if you can see my screen, please put 2 on the chat box. What pairs do you want me to look at? What pairs do you want me to look at? Oh yeah, yeah. I'm going to fix that now. It's little, yeah. I'm going to fix it. I'm going to fix that now. Yes. So I'm sure everybody can see the screen now. Yeah, it's better now, right? It's better now. If you can see, if it's wider, if it's better and wider now, please say it's better and wider, or just drop 3 on the chat box. If it's better and wider, drop 3 on the chat box. Amazing. Amazing. So I asked a question earlier, what do you want us to look at? Somebody said that if you look at Euro USD and GBP, yeah, Euro USD. Euro USD. I think I have. Do I have? Yeah, I have a limit already set for Euro USD. Okay, that's fine. So we'll look at Euro USD and we'll also look at GBP JPY. So Euro USD, GBP JPY. What other pairs do you want me to look at? Abdul, I've heard from you, so I want to hear from others. What other pairs do you want me to look at? Apart from Euro USD or GBP JPY? Gold. Somebody wants gold. Impressive. Yeah, I'll be looking at gold also. I'll be looking at gold also. Okay, no problem. I think I looked at gold yesterday. So I think I like where gold is and we could actually take advantage of it. All right. Okay. So let's jump into it then. Yeah, let's jump into it. Great, 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 great. So let's start with gold or Euro USD. Let's do Euro USD first. Good. So this is a daily time frame on Euro USD. This is a daily time frame on Euro USD. It's a daily time frame on Euro USD. And I like where Euro USD is currently on a daily, right? I like where Euro USD is currently on a daily. I like this range. All right, this is a good place to be. So on a daily time frame, price has been literally bearish, right? Now, I was literally bearish. Price have been dropping like mad. So price coming into this POI, and on a daily time frame, I see that there's an engulfing candle. There's an engulfing candle already on the daily time frame. I will be going lower to a lower time frame now, because having an engulfing candle means that price is literally ready to at least move up, right? Price is literally ready to move up. So I'll be looking at going to a lower time frame to see if I could get structure, right? I want to go and see if I can see where markets gives me structure. So if there are lower time frame market structure, which should and comprise of change of character, then market structure in terms of higher highs, lower highs, right? Once I start seeing higher highs and lower highs, then I could look for where price could come back as liquidity or another block for me to implement my entry model. But seeing what is happening now, I could say, okay, yeah, I think I'm positive that 70% price most likely is going to be moving to the upside. All right. Because price on a week, daily time frame has shown me a bullish engulfing candle. All right. So I'm going to go straight to 15 minutes. I'm going to go straight to 15 minutes. All right. So I've seen that, okay, daily closed bullish. So 15 minutes, this is what 15 minutes looks like. This is what 15 minutes look like. All right. So I will look at this space as protected. Look at this place as protected. Yeah. Look at this place as protected. This should be where I'm entering my trade for a buy. Because this here is liquidity sweep. This here is liquidity sweep. This is breakout structure. This is another breakout structure. All right. It's another breakout structure. This is the third breakout structure also. All right. Price have broken this 15 minutes time frame, mind you. So I want price to sweep all this and come into this place for a buy. Now I'm going to be looking for two positions, right? And here I see multiple reactions here too. So I will be looking at price here also. Be looking at price here also. All right. So let's see how it goes. All right. Good. Now this Means that now my entry model, I'm having two entry models on 15 minutes time frame. And the only reason I'm having a bullish bias, the major reason I'm having a bullish bias is what? Is because um, daily closed, daily closed what? Daily closed as a bullish engulfing candle. All right. So daily closed as a bullish engulfing candle. This is my second position. This is my second position. And this is my, this is what I'm looking at. All right. So now I'm going to go back to daily. I'm going to go back to daily to look for my entry, my exit model. I'm going to go back to daily to look for my exit model. All right. I'm going back to daily to look for my exit model. This is a zone. Yeah. This is a zone. This is a zone. So I will be anticipating price to react from this. Yeah. This is zone. All right. I'll be anticipating price to exit from here. So I should be looking to exit my trade. I'll be anticipating price to react from there. So I'll be anticipating to exit my trade here. So let me go back to 15 minutes and see what we're having. Mind you, because I'm trading the daily time frame, this is literally going to be a swing trade, right? So if the trade activates, I'm not anticipating it to hit my TP day one. All right. This you know already that majorly I swing trade my setups, right? So I'll wait for there's no how we will not get 1:15 on this trade. 1:15 on this setup. No. Good. So gotten all right, good. Great. Oh, 1:19 hour. All right. So Euro USD, I'm in favor of buys. I'm in favor of buys, and this is what I'm anticipating price to do. So you can take a screenshot of this, right? You can literally take a screenshot of this. These are my buy positions for Euro USD. Right. Take a screenshot of this. These are my buy positions for Euro USD. Now, if you're taking a screenshot, please put one on the chat box. If you're taking a screenshot, please put one on the chat box. Take a screenshot of Euro USD. This is what I'm anticipating price to do. Yeah. So just one person has taken a screenshot. All right, two people. Okay. All right. Do you have any question, or should I move forward? Do you have a question, or should I move forward? Any question, or should I move forward? Okay, so let's continue then. Amazing, amazing. All right. So Euro USD, we're waiting for fight. We're waiting for bullish, and we actually took our bullish sentiment from the daily time frame. Yeah, we took our daily sentiment, bullish sentiment from the daily time frame, which means it's a strong zone, and we're anticipating that price will literally go on our way. And always learn how to risk properly, because funny enough, if you risk, if you're using a prop account and you risk 0.1%, you're literally going to be making 10 to 15% on this trade, right? Yeah, you're literally going to be making 10 to 15% on this trade. But so you need to know how to risk properly to be able to take advantage. And if you are also using a small account, this is a good setup also to grow your account. All right. So once price is active, we'll be monitoring it. All right. I think I will have to do like tomorrow also. Right. But it is what it is. So currently already I've set my I have my buy limit already set on Euro USD. Like currently I have my buy limit set on Euro USD. So all right. So let's see how it goes at the end of the week. NZD card is doing well, bro. So I would have said, let me show you guys NZD card. Okay, let's do what we were supposed to do first. What was the next setup that you said I should look at? The next setup is GBP GBP. All right, GBP. Let's go again. Good. All right, let's go to, oh, nice. What am I seeing in 15 minutes? Let's go to daily time frame. Let's go to daily time frame. Okay, good. So I think this GBP. Yeah, GBP. I love what I'm seeing. Yeah, I like what I'm seeing on GBP. So simple. There are multiple zones. This is a zone. This is zone on GBP, which is playing at currently. This is a zone. This is a good zone. On the daily time frame. This is also a good zone on the daily time frame. Yeah, this is also a good zone on the daily time frame. All right, but I'm going to be taking this one off. Yeah, good. So this is a good zone for me. That's my first criteria. Identify your zones. So immediately I've identified my zones. I know that this is a good area that price is reacting from. And did you see what happened? There's a bearish engulfing candle from this zone. So price has been reacting around here, and there's a what? There's a bearish engulfing candle from this zone. So all I'm looking for is price to pull back into this place, and I could literally sell. So GBP I'm looking for sell. All right. GBP I'm looking for sell. Let me show you. So price dropped from here, got here, reacted here, then dropped way more. Now, if you look at price came back again, created a higher low instead of going lower, right? Created a higher low and has been ranging. Then price came back into the same place, yeah, where it reacted before dropping massively previous time. That's like that was at August, and price is reacting from there now. So what am I anticipating? I'm anticipating price to either come here, right? Either price come back to this place, pull back, then pull back to the upside, or price will literally from here continue going down. All right, that's what I'm anticipating. Okay, that's what I'm anticipating. Are you guys following me? If you are following me, type cash. If you are following me, type cash on the, please show us inside the card. If you are following me, type cash on the chat box. If you're following me, type cash on the chat box. All right. I need to be sure that you guys are following me. All right. Oh, great. Amazing. Okay, good. So now, there's already a bearish engulfing candle on a daily time frame, which signifies that in a daily time frame, um, in a daily time frame, bearish sellers are already hyped up, right? Sellers are currently in control because you could see those sell long candles, right? So let's go to 15 minutes and look for opportunities on GBP. Let's go to 15 minutes and look for opportunities. Very simple. Very simple. Great. Very simple. I will use this. This has not been mitigated. All right. This has not been mitigated. Oh, great. This has not been mitigated. All right. So this is one. This is one. But my first entry, this is one. My second entry could be this. I'll prefer this as my second entry. All right. So I'm always going to be having two positions set, right? I'll prefer this. So this, I want it to look like a liquidity sweep. So I want price to come back here, react from it. So this is what I want, right? Now price is doing this. I want price to drop down a bit, pull back up, come to this place, react from it, then use this as sweep of liquidity, tap into this, should be like sniper, and start dropping. This is what I should be anticipating. This is what I should be anticipating on GBP. All right. Now, there's another option where price has to move. Move to the upside, sweep here, come back again, tap into this, and drop. All right, drop way down. So these are two options that I'm looking at. All right, those are two options I'm looking at. You remember, I always want price to sweep liquidity before my other block because it missed it. Oh, okay. So once I will do that. I'll drop the prices. I'll drop it. All right. I'll do that. So I'm looking for sales at this point in place. Two different positions. All right. This is huge. This is huge. All right. Should be like minimum should be 1:10, but it's way above 1:10. I'm very sure of that. All right. So I'm going to drop the price for you guys. I remember that. I'll drop the price for you guys. Okay. My prices are from well, let's do that. Price is at what? 198.279. So sell limit, sorry. Stop loss. SA is 198.572. All right, 198.572. That's it. Second, oh, then another sell limit. So I hope you can calculate your risk management properly. Sell limit at one 197.240. SA is 197.422. This. All right. So these are the two positions. Set the two positions. You know how to calculate your risk, right? Set the two positions. If you're risking, let's say in a day you risk 1% of your account daily, right? You can literally risk 0.5% of your account each for the setups. And for me, I'm risking 1% of my account each for the two setups. 1% is what I'm risking. Why? Because if it takes out the first position and activates the second one, I'm still going to make 1:10 minimum, right? So let's go look for our TP. Let's go look for our TP because our TP is way above 1:10 hour. This is a swing trade, moreover. So this trade, if it activates you by the end of the day, right? You are not TP is not expected to hit today. If it activates you by the end of today, you should be seeing your TP Friday or next week. Yeah, because this is a daily time frame setup. It's not a 15 minutes time frame setup. This is a daily time frame setup, right? So your risk to reward is always going to be very heavy. Can you imagine? If I'm using this as risk to reward, that's 1:40 RR. All right. So we'll be managing this stuff on the group. That one is definitely right. We'll be managing once the trade activates. We'll be managing from the group. So you can screenshot it from the WhatsApp, from the chat group chat, right? You can screenshot the chat. I just posted it on the chat. TP Uncle. Just take it now. 15 minutes. This is 15 minutes. So let's do TP for, let's do first TP should be first TP for both of them. TP1 is 1:10 hour, which is 194. 194.600 for both setups. TP 194.600. All right, that's for TP1. 194.600. That's for TP1. All right. Are you guys following? You have a question for me? You have a question for me? All right. So if there's no question, we call it a day? This was a quick 30 minutes. How do I use my SLPs to calculate my risk? Oh, okay. First tip. So you could do it on TradingView. Let me see. I've not used that TradingView. Yes. What do they call that? What do they call it? Risk management. So what I use, right? What I use is, what is it on now? What I use is an app. I use an app. I use an app. Let me see if I can get it. Okay, so I'll download it now. I have it here. Nash Market, NASH. So Nash Market is very simple for you to use. You see these figures I just sent to you, right? You see the figures I just sent to you. You see the figures I just sent to you. You can actually just download Nash Market on your phone, then input these figures I just sent to you. Once you input it, it will give you the lot size. Once you input the figures and you tell the app that, okay, I have a $10,000 account. I want to use 2% of my account to take this trade. This is where I want to buy it. This is my stop loss. Nash Market will calculate how many stop loss is that, how many loss size is that. It will calculate for you how many pips is your stop loss from your entry. Then it will now, based on the amount you want to risk, it will give you what do they call it? It will give you the lot size you are meant to use. All right. That's literally what I use. All right. Nash Market, which is called NASH NASHMARKETS. Nash Market. You can download the app. All right. Nash Market. I just sent it to you. NASH. Okay, stop speaking. Use this Nash Market I just gave you. It will calculate everything for you. I don't. Why do you guys like stress? All right. Use the app, input the figures, and it will calculate your stock for you. There's no need of stressing yourself when you can use AI to do a lot of things that you are supposed to use your brain to do. It's simple, so that it's called time efficiency, right? So it's way more than time efficiency. It's literally overall efficiency. Yeah. Makes you efficient, get what you want to do, get it done in say a matter of seconds and move to the other thing. All right. So somebody's asking for Euro USD. Okay. Euro USD setup. Now, if you're taking the two setups, then please manage your risk. All right. Don't go and risk 1% for 4 positions. That's not healthy. All right. So manage your risk. I mean, that is if you're using if you're using Profem. If you're not using Profem, you're using normal account. Yeah, you could risk 3. It depends on how high your appetite is. You could risk more than that. All right. So let's do Euro USD. Let me call out the coordinates for you. Euro USD. $1.054444 SL. 1.0528. Second one is EUR USD. Second one is what? Second position is 1.05088. 1.05088. SL 1.04890. Please, risk management is necessary. Implement risk management. Please implement risk management. All right. All right. Risk management is extremely necessary. Risk management is what is extremely necessary. So implement risk management. All right. So does anybody have a question for me? It might not be related to it might not be related to our setups today. So should we do this again tomorrow? We should do this again tomorrow. I've given you two setups. Two setups is enough for the day. Two setups is enough for the day. Funny enough, two setups is enough for you for 1 week. Normally, if you have leverage, if you know what leverage is, you have a good account to set up for a week. Ah, you are good to go. So the setup is good. What account size are you? What account size do you have? Omotayo, what account size do you have? What account size do you have? What's your account size? What's your account size? Plus, you want to take 3 trades. Oh, okay. Time should be the same thing. It should be the same thing. 8:45. 8:45 should be the time. All right. Tomorrow, 8:45, we'll do this again. All right. We'll do this again tomorrow, 8:45. So set a reminder and to be on this channel. So set oh okay. Okay. And you want to take 3 trades, including gold. Okay, you're doing well. So let's say um 8:45 a.m. tomorrow. We're going to do this. I think we're going to do it for this whole week. 8:45 a.m. because I promised last is it 2 weeks ago? No, it was last week. I promised that once I hit 500 subscribers on this channel, that I'm going to do one full month of trading, right? So we're currently that's literally why I this morning when I woke up, I found out that we're already at 200 500. All right. So immediately I knew that we are above 500, we are already at 500. I sent the message on the group. So tomorrow 8:45, on Wednesday 8:45. No, Wednesday is tomorrow now. Thursday 8:45, Friday 8:45 a.m. So set your alarms. And if you subscribe, I think you should click on the notification bell so that once you see, once I set the reminder on YouTube, you could actually also um, get the reminder. All right, excuse me. Okay. So was this valuable? Was this session valuable? Was this session valuable? Hmm. Almost see. Look at how EU is coming close to our entry. And you see the jump. There, guy is dripping down like man. Dripping down like man. I think we should wait for the next let's wait for the next 15 minutes candle close to see if price will come to our area. Now, all right, let's see. Let's also what should we have? What conversation should we have? So for the next 15 minutes, let's see how this candle is closing in the next how many minutes? 5 minutes, 3 minutes actually. Yeah, 3 minutes. So let's see if it busts through, come to our entry. Let's see how it goes from our entry, right? Let's see how it goes from our entry. Right, right. You are great, you do miracle so great. There is no one else like you. So you guys don't have any question at all. Impressive. Yeah? Are you serious? Can you see this again? Oh, okay, no wonder. Impressive. Mhm. Why is market reacting this way? Euro USD. Okay, let's see our TPP. Oh, mega effect. So Euro USD. If Euro USD is dropping like this, it means that um so price is imagine price reacting from this place. Very funny. I didn't choose here because it was very close and there was no enough consolidation for me here. That's why I didn't choose it. Price came reacted a bit, but I'm anticipating price to actually drop to this. This is a good place to react from, right? Then if he wants to turn this to as liquidity, then wait for price to come down lower, right? But the truth is that patience is the game, right? Patience is the game. Patience is the game. Very, very valuable. Yeah, patience is the game. So let's be patient. I really are patient to and see how price works with us. All right. So we're waiting for the next this 15 minutes candle to close, then see what the next 15 minutes candle does. Then we can call it a day, all right? That's fair enough, right? If that's fair enough, please input there on the group, on the chat box. That's fair enough. You can type fair enough on the chat box. All right. So we're waiting for EU to literally tap us in. GBP looks like it left off because that guy fell. That guy fell so hard. Fell so hard. So new 15 minutes candle has opened. But let's see how it goes. All right. To be very funny, price react from that that small order block. So let's see. Let's see. Okay. All right. Shoot call. So let me look at what price is doing on this 15 minutes. Yeah. You can literally call it today. I monitor it from the group. All right. I monitor it from our group. 15 minutes candle closed. I like the rejection. So I'm anticipating price to break here, use it as liquidity. So price, when price comes back again, you should use this. Should use this as liquidity. Should use this as liquidity. Then you want to see price drop down into this place and waka. So this is what I'm anticipating price to do. All right. That's what I'm anticipating price to do. With this viewpoint of mine, I think we should call it a day. All right. Let's call it a day. We'll monitor it from the group, all right? So price is actually coming down. So let price should be able to come down into this place, activate us, and we'll monitor it from the group, all right? So have a blessed day. Thank you for joining this session. Thank you for joining this session. Yes. Bye.